To create a tag-based playlist, click on Playlists, Add Playlists, then Tag-based Playlist. Give it a name and an optional description. You can set transitions or black gaps between each file if you want. Then select the workspace you want to take the media from. Then add the tags you want to be included here. When you add multiple tags on the same line, the playlist will only display media that have all of these tags that you've selected. But if you click Add More, you can add more tags so the playlists will also display media including the second line of tags too. You can add as many tags as you need. You can also make sure that the playlist excludes media with certain tags by adding them here. Click Save and add your playlist to your screen content and it will be ready to display.